Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we use more and more devices that actually are wireless through Bluetooth, especially on the audio department. I often actually send my PC's audio to a Bluetooth speaker or device that I want to hear stuff going through. Of course, it could be earbuds, and Bluetooth has been a on and off quality thing. It's not always been the best. It always or often had some audio distortion, or sometimes audio would be in mono. And this is about to change with Microsoft pushing a new version of Bluetooth. Of course, that will require more recent Bluetooth devices, and it is a Bluetooth LE feature. So it's Bluetooth low energy feature that improves upon audio quality and its compression. Also, less loss of bits, and that means better, clearer audio, and better stereo separation and wideband audio will come out of this. So this is going to be interesting. It's definitely going to be something to look at, as this will greatly improve the audio quality with wireless earbuds, headphones, and Bluetooth speakers. So it's coming to possibly start somewhere with 25H2. And this is also, of course, going to require devices that are compatible with this new feature. But kind of nice to see that they're improving. I've, always found that Bluetooth audio has always been lacking somewhat when listening to it. I've always preferred real plugged-in earbuds or headphones. But as time goes by, this is getting better, and I guess Bluetooth also will give us much better high-fidelity audio through voice and music. Also, they were saying that this is going to be great for gamers that often use wireless headsets while they're gaming to chat with other players. So something good at least coming up, and it will require some of the latest Bluetooth technology to work. So Bluetooth LE, or Bluetooth Low Energy, coming to a PC near you in Windows 11. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.